Lean Six Sigma. Without any prior knowledge, the term will most likely not mean much to you. And were someone to explain that it is a combination of the Lean and Six Sigma methodologies, that wouldn't help you much either. But that begs the question, what is Lean Six Sigma really? The shortest answer to the question, and one that offers a good understanding of the underlying concept, takes roughly 3 sentences and goes as follows. Lean Six Sigma is a quality management methodology for organizations. This methodology is used to increase the speed of processes and reduce the amount of variation in process output, all according to the principle of continuous improvement. The end objective is to be able to accurately deliver what the customer wants, when they want it, against the lowest possible operational costs and with the highest possible amount of flexibility. This answer summarizes what most literature on the topic takes ages to get across. And to fully understand the answer, you just need to know 3 things, namely, what a quality management methodology is, what continuous improvement means, and why organizations strive for this objective. Once we've gone through this lesson, you will understand more about Lean Six Sigma than most people will after several hours of browsing the web. Let's start with discussing what a quality management methodology is, aside from a mouthful. A quality management methodology is a structured approach to managing quality. With quality, we're referring to any aspect of a product, service, or process that your customer is prepared to pay for. With this structured approach, you map out what the customer considers to be quality and how you intend to deliver this quality to them. An example, think of an ice cream parlor. In this example, the customer wants ice cream that tastes good, is of a certain temperature, and wants to wait for their ice cream as briefly as possible. The owner needs to ask him or herself the question of how to consistently meet these quality standards against the lowest possible costs. How they answer this question technically already constitutes a quality management methodology. In the context of Lean Six Sigma, quality is mainly expressed in terms of process speed and variation. In order to improve quality, you aim to increase process speed and to minimize the variation of your process outputs. Increasing process speed means removing process steps that add no value to your customer and streamlining process steps that add value to the customer. Minimizing variation in process outputs means ensuring that the output of your processes, in other words, your product or service, meets the quality standards as many times as possible. Or stated in reverse, minimizing the number of times that your output does not meet quality standards. Revisiting the ice cream parlor example, the owner's objectives would be to minimize the number of cases in which the ice cream is at the wrong temperature, the wrong flavor is delivered, and the customer has to wait too long for their ice cream. Delivering quality quickly and consistently is one of the cornerstones of the Lean Six Sigma methodology. This methodology is shaped according to the core principle of continuous improvement. This principle means you always keep looking for ways to improve quality and resolve any issues relating to quality. As the customer demand will constantly change, it is vital to anticipate and adapt to these changes as well. Abiding by this principle allows an organization a high level of flexibility within its respective market. Within the structure of Lean Six Sigma, this principle is given shape in 2 ways, namely by way of daily improvement initiatives and project-based improvement initiatives. Both categories contain a wide range of methods and problem-solving tools, such as the DMAIC project method, value stream mapping, FMEA, and many more. In the context of Lean Six Sigma, continuous improvement means using these methods and tools to routinely improve quality, whilst consistently striving for perfection. The reason organizations embrace this way of thinking and the methodology of Lean Six Sigma can be summarized in 3 reasons: to increase customer satisfaction, to increase their competitive advantage, and to cut unnecessary costs. You increase customer satisfaction by designing all processes within the organization to deliver the customer what they want and when they want it. You lower unnecessary costs by removing any activities and resources which do not add any value. In short, minimizing operational costs without loss of effectiveness. And you improve competitive advantage by continuously adapting to customer demand and readjusting the quality standards whenever necessary, all in order to achieve optimal market engagement. This combination of flexibility and customer focus grants a huge advantage against competitors who fail to embrace continuous improvement as one of their core principles. By embracing continuous improvement and by applying the Lean Six Sigma methodology, your organization becomes more effective, efficient, and more agile than ever before. A Lean Six Sigma organization is an organization that works to increase quality, an organization that grows with the demands of its customers. Knowing this context helps you understand what Lean Six Sigma is, without having to burrow through its entire history. In the next lesson, we discuss the added value of Lean Six Sigma on an organizational level, team level, and individual level.